What's up, scholars? It's nice having you guys today on another episode on Introduction to Mechanical Drawing. So, I would implore you to stay tuned as I teach you some important topics you need to know in mechanical drawing.
Assuming you are given your line AB to be any length, can take 70 millimeter, 120 millimeter, it's your choice. So, our normal way of constructing a line now. So, you are asked to draw a perpendicular line to a line AB from a given point on that same line AB, 100 millimeter. So, you are asked to draw a perpendicular to this line. So, let's assume our point P to be 40 millimeter. So for you to draw a perpendicular to this line at that point P, all you are going to do is that, okay, you pick your compass, making your P the center point. You extend your compass to an arbitrary means any radius of your choice. So you extend the compass to any radius of your choice. Then from point P, you draw a semicircle. You name this point C and this other point D. Then the next thing is that you extend the radius of your compass to about a length that is way greater than the half of your line CD. So you may decide to say, okay, from here you measure it out and you place the radius is about this point, is extended to about this point. Then placing your compass at C, you strike an arc up here. With that same radius, you place your compass at D, strike another arc. At the very point at which the axes intersect each other, you name it your E. Another one I want to teach us now is how to draw a perpendicular from a given point. So I'm going to show us how to draw a perpendicular from a given point. This is actually from a point we are given on the line AB, but the one I'm going to show you right now is from a given point. We are still going to make use of this. So alright, so let's assume our given point is this region. So let's assume this point is P. So for you to draw a perpendicular to line AB, all you are going to do is that from this point, you extend your compass in such a way that it exceeds line AB. Your compass being placed at this point, then you extend its radius way above line AB. Then you strike an arc with that radius. You strike an arc to intersect line AB at this region and at this region too. Do you understand? So I should come again. Given this point. So from this point,
So you extend your compass way below line AB.
so it could be around this part. Then you strike an arc to cut the line AB at this point, and at this very point. Please do note that it must be thin. The arc must be thin because it's more of construction outline. So then you name this point your C and this very point your D. And the next thing you are going to do is that then from this point and this point, looking at our center line, you strike an arc down here Let me just erase this 100 millimeter so that I won't get confused. So you strike an arc down here, up, then from D another arc to intersect this other arc. Then at the point at which it intersects this very arc, you may decide to name it your, or should we name it? Actually, let's name it E, because we are following C, D, then E. It's like to show the steps which you took in getting your perpendicular line. Alright, so we are going to name it E. Alright, so with your ruler and your tail of pencil, so I would advise you to use your 2B for thick continuous line and 2H for your thin continuous line. 2H for your thin continuous line, 2B for your thick continuous line. Alright, so with your ruler being placed at this point and at the same time is being placed at point P, you draw a perpendicular to line AB starting from this point. So I would advise probably you use your thin continuous line at first. This is what I'm trying to say. Use your thin continuous line at first. Draw the line from this point to this point so that it should be very easy for you. So draw the line. Okay. Then the next thing you are going to do is that you thicken this line from this point to your book. You thicken it out because that's actually the part, the region where we need. Alright. So you may decide to leave this part and let's just leave it. Since it's a thin line. Yep. From your point P. From point P, you extend your radius, the radius of your compass, to be more than the distance of this line AB to the P. So it can be just anywhere below that line. Then you strike an arc to cut the line at C and at D. Alright. And as long as this one is at 90 to your line AB, so automatically this other side will be at 90 to your line AB. This other angle will also be at 90 degrees to your line AB. Section of a given angle. So, and for us to bisect a given angle, two lines must have met, like two lines must have like intersect each other. Alright, so let's assume we have line AB. Let's assume you have line AB and AC. You were asked to bisect this angle. You may be given angle 60, you may be given angle 30. No worry, I will teach you how to construct angles. I'll post it on my YouTube channel. So how to construct your angle 30, your angle 60, your angle 45, how to construct them. I will also teach you how to bisect, because you have to bisect some of these angles to get that very angle. Okay, let's take for instance you were asked to construct angle 30. That means you are going to construct angle 60 at first, then you bisect the angle 60 to get your angle 30. Alright, so let's assume this angle to be 30 degrees. So what you are going to do is that you place your compass at point A. Alright, so at any convenient radius, at an arbitrary radius of yours. So you strike an arc to intersect line AC and line AB. It's your A as the center. You strike an arc to intersect line AC and line AB. So you may decide to name this, what is it? Point A, at point A, D should be D, then this should be E. Then the next thing you are going to do is that, yeah, at any radius, but make sure it's not too big and at the same time it's not too small. All right, so from this point you strike an arc, you increase the radius of your compass, so any choice of your radius. So from D you strike another arc. Okay, from D you strike an arc where you place your compass at D. With the radius, with the extended radius, you strike an arc. Where then with that same radius, with that very same radius, you place it at E. You strike another arc. What do you say? With that same radius, you strike another arc to intersect the first arc. At first, you place the compass at A. You strike an arc, it intersects line AC at D and line AB at E. Then the next thing is that you extend your radius again. At this time it will be larger than the first one you make use of. Then you strike another arc. Then with that same radius, you place it at E. Strike another arc to intersect themselves at, let's say, F. Then you join it. Then you join it to the point from A. To be from A. So this point is your the bisecting angle. So when you use your protractor to measure it out, this one will give you angle 15 degrees. This one also will be 15 degrees.
So the next subtopic under circle geometry or under geometrical construction is the circumscription of a circle around a given triangle.
Let's assume we are given triangle ABC to be, okay, ABC. Let's assume ABC. From here to here is 50 millimeter. This also is 50 millimeter, and this one is 40 millimeter. So for you to draw a circumscribed circle to this triangle, to the given triangle, what you are going to do is that you bisect line AB, okay, line AB and any of the other lines. You bisect line AB and any of these other lines. So which line should we choose? Okay, AC, right? All right. So with the method I taught you about how to bisect your line. So from point A, you extend your compass in such a way that the radius is more than half of line AB. Then you strike an arc up, down. With that same radius, you place it at B. Strike another arc to intersect the other arc at the lower region and at the upper region. Then you join it together. This is a thin continuous line, because it's not, even the triangle is thin, it's thin. What they need is the circle that is joining, that is touching this part and this other part. So it's the circle they need. So the circle must be thick compared to all other outlines that you have. So the circle must be very thick. So we said we should bisect our line AC, right? So for us to bisect our line AC, we make use of same principle. At point A, you extend your compass to be more than half of line AC. strike an arc at this region, and I think the other one should be at this region. So with that same radius, you place it at C. Strike another arc to intersect this arc at this region. Then from C, strike another arc to intersect with that same radius though. So strike another arc to intersect this arc at this region, another arc to intersect this line at this very region too. So you mark out the point it's made, join it together. Then at the point at which line, let's name this line our C, our D, because this was the one we first bisected, right? So then let's name it E, F, and this other one G, H. So at the point at which this intersect, let's name it our O. All right. So what you are going to do next is that with your compass placed at this center O, you extend your compass to point A or point C or point B. You can choose any point. So with your compass, you extend it to A. So let's pick A. You draw your circle. Okay. No, I'm going to practicalize this so that you guys will see. I don't want the situation whereby you draw your line and it will enter one side of the triangle. The circle will intersect this point, and this last point. So it will be something like this. Something like that. So that's how you go about. That's how to draw a circumscribed circle to a given triangle. So the last one for today is inscription of the circle. So this circumscription of the circle, should I rub it off? Don't worry, I'll make the video available. So this time around, the circle will be within our given triangle. So let's assume our triangle to be the same, the same length the other time. So we have our A, B, C. So this time around, our aim is that we draw a triangle in such a way that the circle is touching
Then you join
this very line. It's within the triangle. Let me just put it that way. So it's going to touch this very line
to line AB.
So you must ensure that it touches this very line at this point and at this very point. So for us to construct, something like this, what we are going to do is that we bisect any two angles, and that's why I taught us how to bisect an angle before we actually started this. All right, so which angle do you want us to bisect? C and B. Someone said C and B. So at any convenient radius, while ensuring that that radius is not too big and at the same time is not too large, it's not too small. Yeah. So you place your compass at point C, you strike an arc to cut line AC, and at the same time it's cutting line CB. Strike an arc to cut line AC and at the same time cutting line CB. Let's decide to name this point our D and our E. What say? I should come again. It's what I said the other time. Like you bisect angle C. They said someone said we should use angle C and angle B. So for you to bisect angle C. What you are going to do is that at any convenient radius, while ensuring that it's not too big and it's not too small, you strike an arc to intersect line AC and line CB. Then after that, you name this D, E. Then from D, you extend your radius, strike an arc from E with that same radius. Please ensure it's the same radius. Strike another arc to intersect the first arc. Then this point you can decide to name it your F. Then you join this point to this very point. Yeah, something like this. Then the last one, we are going to bisect. Please make sure it goes all the way down. As long as it's thin continuous line, please, we are making use of our thin continuous line, just as I've said earlier on. So we bisect this other line using the same principle. We make use of the same principle. So strike an arc to intersect line AB at H, I mean G. Yeah, then this can be our H. You extend your arc, you extend the radius, you strike another arc. Let's say this point, at this point, when you put it at H, strike an arc, put it at G, strike another arc. Then at this very point, you join your B to the point it's made here. Let's just name this our, what should we name it? I. Alright. So, and we do it in such a way that the line intersects the first bisection, the first angle we bisected. So at this point we have the center for the circle. So what we are going to do next is that we name this O, since it's the center of the circle. Then with our compass we extend the pencil lead to this point, the point at which this line intersects line AC, or better still, the point at which this line intersects line AB. Then the moment you extend it, you draw your circle. So it will be in this format. And you are good to go, as long as it touches this point, this and this. If it's by chance it didn't touch it, then you know when you draw the line, you yourself will know that it didn't touch it. So it's either you start again, and that's why I said you need to practice. Like you have to practice constantly. It is when you practice you work towards being perfect, and you won't waste your time doing your class exercises, doing your exam, doing your test. So thanks, that's all for today.
Thank you.
Alright everyone, so I remain Emmy, your tutorial at Emmy Consult. You can do well to subscribe and stay tuned for more content here at Emmy Consult. Remember, the only way to overcome your fears is by facing them head on. See you in the next class. Thanks.